Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. Price prediction. Avalanche price today is $16.28 with a 24-hour trading volume of $827.55 million, market cap of $5.30 billion, and market dominance of 0.5%. The AVAX price increased 12.33% in the last 24 hours. Based on data from March 13, 2023, at 17:22, the general Avalanche price prediction sentiment is neutral, with 16 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 11 signaling bearish signals. AVAX price prediction was last updated on March 13, 2023, at 17:22. Avalanche key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $15.62, Avalanche has support levels of $14.97, $13.67, and the strongest at $13.02. Similarly, Avalanche resistance levels are at $16.92, $17.57, and $18.87. Avalanche reached its highest price on November 21, 2021, when it was trading at its all-time high of $146.18, while Avalanche's lowest price was recorded on December 23, 2020, when it was trading at its all-time low of $2.79. The lowest price since its ADH was $10.61, cycle low. The highest AVAX price since the last cycle low was $22.65, cycle high. The Avalanche price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 49, neutral. Avalanche's current circulating supply is 325.27 M AVAX out of max supply of 720.00 M AVAX. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 22.14%, meaning 58.97 M AVAX were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Avalanche is currently ranked number 7 in the proof-of-stake coin sector, ranked number 1 in the Avalanche network sector, and ranked number 11 in the Layer 1 sector. The price of Avalanche in the ICO was 50 cents, and the token sale ended on July 15, 2020. Since then, AVAX price increased 32.49x against US dollar, increased 4.76x against Ethereum, and increased 12.91x against Bitcoin. Avalanche price in US dollar has decreased by -8.49% in the last 1 month. AVAX is down -14.91% against Ethereum and down -15.09% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. Avalanche is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 11 days, since March 2, 2023. The price of Avalanche is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 16 days, since February 25, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 375 days ago, on March 3, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 19, 2023, which was 22 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Avalanche's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $16.45 by April 12, 2023. Avalanche's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $16.16 by April 12, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 45.22, which indicates that the AVAX market is in a neutral position. According to our current Avalanche price prediction, the value of Avalanche is predicted to rise by 11.04% and reach $18.03 by March 18, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 49, neutral. Avalanche recorded 14/30, 47% green days with 10.07% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Avalanche forecast, it's now a good time to buy Avalanche. Comparing Avalanche against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Avalanche price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Avalanche price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, AVAX price prediction for year 2026 is $580.03 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Avalanche would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $66.54. News. Silicon Valley Bank contagion. Crypto companies affected include BlockFi, Circle, Avalanche, Ripple. BlockFi, Circle, Avalanche, Yuga Labs, and Proof are among the crypto names that had exposure to now shuttered Silicon Valley Bank. As the fallout from the stunning collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, plays out, numerous crypto companies have already signaled their exposure to the bank, which long maintained a reputation as one of the most prominent lenders to tech startups in the world. The bank's closure Friday by the California Department of Financial Protection marked the second largest bank failure in American history after the undoing of Washington Mutual during the financial crisis of 2008. Silicon Valley Bank reported $212 billion in assets last quarter. The stock, SHİB, began spiraling late Wednesday after rumors circulated that the institution was seeking an acquisition after failing to raise sufficient capital to cover its obligations. In the hours and days that followed, numerous venture capital funds reportedly advised their clients to withdraw their funds, resulting in $42 billion of withdrawals initiated on Thursday, constituting a run on the bank. On Friday morning, the Nasdaq halted trading of SHİB shares. Though it was venture capital firms and tech startups that were most severely affected by SVB, numerous crypto companies have also disclosed their exposure to the bank. Avalanche. The Avalanche Foundation, which supports the Avalanche blockchain, announced Friday evening that it has a little over $1.6 million in exposure to Silicon Valley Bank. Avalanche's native token AVAX currently boasts a market capitalization of $4.84 billion. Yuga Labs. Yuga Labs, the $4 billion company behind dominant NFT collection Bored Ape Yacht Club, among other projects, is exposed to SVB. Yuga co-founder Greg Solana said Friday that the company has super limited exposure to the failed bank, though Yuga has not yet confirmed exactly how much. Solana said the amount doesn't impact our business or plans in any way. Proof, another leader in NFTs, may have been hit harder. The Web3 project created by Dig co-founder Kevin Rose, which is behind leading NFT collection Moonbirds, issued a statement Friday confirming the company holds cash as Silicon Valley Bank. Proof holds cash at SVB, however. We've thankfully diversified our assets across ETH, stablecoins, as well as fiat, the company tweeted Friday. Proof has not yet disclosed what amount of cash it has tied up with SVB. While the company conceded that SVB's collapse sucks, it also insisted the potential loss wouldn't affect the security of customers' assets or Proof's roadmap. Thank you for watching today's video on cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.